Hi, today we are making hot chocolate buttercream frosting. You're really gonna like this one. It's super chocolatey. It is perfect for the holidays or for winter time. And you can basically put this buttercream on chocolate cupcakes, chocolate cake. You can cover an entire 2-layer 8-inch cake or about 24 cupcakes with this frosting. It's not hard to make. You just need to get a packet of hot chocolate. And you wanna make sure and follow the tip about mixing the hot chocolate first with the hot water so that it doesn't get grainy on you. But these are super cute. You can really decorate them how you want to, but I put them on chocolate cupcakes with a little bit of chocolate sprinkles and some little marshmallows, which makes them really super fun for winter. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to take a packet of hot cocoa mix and add it to a mug. And then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of very hot water. You want to make sure to stir it really well so that all of the hot cocoa dissolves into the water. And then you want to set it aside while you make the rest of the buttercream so that it can cool a little bit. You want it cool before you add it to your buttercream mixture. So next you're going to add 2 cups of unsalted butter, and you want that butter to be room temperature. You don't want to microwave it because that's going to heat it up a little bit too much. You just want to set it out and let it come to room temperature on its own. And then just mix the butter until it's really smooth. Now you're going to add in a 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now this is not the hot cocoa mix, it's actually cocoa powder that's unsweetened. And you just want to mix that with your butter until it's smooth. And then I just like to scrape the sides of the bowl and then mix again until everything is well incorporated. Now you want to add in the cooled down hot cocoa mixture. And then add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. And also, if you forget any of these steps, I'm going to put a link in the description below, like I do with all of my recipe videos, so that you can click on that link, go to the blog post. It's going to have everything listed out for you, and you can even print off the recipe for yourself. All right, and just scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl and mix again. And now we're going to add in 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, also known as powdered sugar. It's the same thing. And then you just want to mix that up. And then you want to add in 3 more cups of confectioner's sugar and mix that really well. You're adding the sugar in stages because 1, it's going to make a huge mess if you try to add in all 6 cups at one time, and then 2, it's just really easier to do it in stages like this. And then just make sure to scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl and mix again. At this point, you want to mix it at medium-high or even high speed. You want to mix it for several minutes here. It's going to really fluff up and it'll lighten just a bit in color. And then you can just add it to your cupcakes or your cake. I'll also put a link to my best chocolate cupcakes video if you want to make those. They work really well with this buttercream. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy these, and I will see you next time.